This is a review of the DREO ceramic heater. That's a 10-inch that I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review on. In this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, we are also going to test this product out to see how well this thing works. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything you get inside this package. So we get the 10 inches DREO portable unit here itself. And then right from here, we get the remote control that comes with right over here. A wireless remote control. Then right here, it comes with 2 cells that it comes with, which is a huge plus. It's good that they provided that. So, if you could put it in, then it could start to work. But yeah, what we're going to do now is that we are going to test this out. I'm going to plug it into my outlet. And from there, we are going to show you guys all the settings and features that this DREO 10-inch portable heater has. Okay, so I have the product plugged into the outlet. We are going to put this on for a test. So without going further, let's do that and press this button to turn it on. You can see that it turned on. And right from here, so we get a 5 comfort settings that it has a power heat and then an eco mode and then a fan mode. And right from there, I'm going to show you guys all those effects that it has. And right from here, so we are going to move this as well too. And you can have it set to a 70-degree ice oscillation as well too. And you could see I pressed that button and it moved the way, it's moving like that. Or if you want it to have in the same angle, you could just press this again and just pauses right over there that you can see here. So it freezes and it's not moving anywhere. And then if I wanted to, I press this button again, then it moves again. Right from here are the 5 settings that it has. So we're going to start with number 3. This is the maximum high setting. And it is extremely warm. And for a small compact size product, this is absolutely amazing for the amount of punch that this product offers. It's a whole lot of heat that it will keep you warm, especially during the winter seasons. And then we're gonna go, tone it down to number 2 if we can. So if I hold this button right over here, so we have set to number 2 that you can see right over there, and then you saw number 1 as well too. And then number 1 is right over here. So this is the low amount of heat you want if you don't want too much hot. So you could adjust the level of temperature you want as well too. And you can see 70 degrees ice oscillation. Not just that, but on top of the panel itself, this is touchscreen interface. So you could use your hands to pretty much adjust everything. And you can see as I'm touching it, everything programs from the top of the interface as well too. So you can have it 2 ways, either from there or either from the remote control. But I usually prefer the remote control. Is usually the best option. But yeah, if you're looking for a ceramic heater 10 inches, then I would definitely recommend DREO because of the fact that it's portable. You could carry it around with you everywhere, and it's very easy to use and user friendly. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this ceramic 10-inch heater if you're looking for a replacement set or a new heater for your home. Then I would definitely recommend this one since it's a small compact size, but it packs a whole lot of punch when it comes to the heat.